Alright guys, today I'm changing the coil packs on, once again, 2014 Silverado. So as you can see, remove your oil filler cap, your dipstick, this PCV hose by pressing these gray tabs. And then this cover, just give it a little pull. Alright, so you get that off, put that back in so nothing falls down in. And guys, these are the driver's side coil packs right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this will be going to 1, 3, 5, 7 as far as your cylinders go. Those are your spark plugs down there. All you do is you go to each electrical connection, pop this up, this red tab, and you're gonna press down, pinch off, take off these two 10 mils, pop off this spark plug wire, and then yeah. Okay guys, this is the passenger side. So what you do is take off this other breather hose from your air intake, same style. You just push the gray tab, pop it up. And then I know these hoses look like they're in the way, but you should have enough room to just clamshell this right out. Once again, give it a little pull wherever you can. And there's your passenger side. By the way, to do this guys, all you need is a 3/8 ratchet or whatever size ratchet, 10mm socket, and maybe an impact. Alrighty guys, we are back, and as you can see, I have a new one in, and I also have 3 on this side. And the only reason why I didn't film was because initially I wanted to show you guys this one because it's the easiest one to get to, but what happened was locking tab actually broke off. So I was dealing with this one for a little while, and then I ended up like saying frick it, and I went this way, but I forgot to film. So, and I'll film one for you guys right now. I also wanted to make sure that I could do this one-handed. So what you do is get a flat blade, screwdriver, flathead, whatever. And then, oh, wait a minute. I don't want to break this one. It's supposed to come right up. There we go. And then, I don't know if you can see those the little tab under it, but what you do is you squeeze it, pull it right off, and then you can come down here to the bolts, as you can see. Break it loose. There's really not much torque, so if you're looking for a torque spec, just whatever gives you comfort at night. And then, yeah, you guys get the point. You take off the two 10mm. You can just literally pop this off. Give it a second. There you go. And then, yeah. Hey guys, just want to show you guys cylinder number 8 coil pack on the passenger side. Just in case you guys have a hard time. Only suggestion is literally using a short socket because it fits just inside the firewall. So yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, reinstall time. Well, not reinstall, but reinstalling the plastic cover. So as you can see, there's these 3 spots, 3 housing locations where you put onto these studs right here. There's 1, there's 2, and back there is 3. So it's gonna be once again hard to do this one-handed. So let me just get this behind the AC lines. Hold on. Alright guys, it took about 2 seconds, and all you do is just kind of gauge where the lines are at. I mean the housing locations are, and you'll feel a little click, so you'll know when you get it. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but yeah, that's it. And then goes back on. Just literally just slide over the top. I don't know if you heard that. So passenger done. And now back to the infamous broken one. And by the way, I haven't been using the impact. Just so you guys know that you guys can just literally use it with a ratchet. I mean use a ratchet, sorry. But the broken one we have to mess with. But as you can see, all 7, 4 on the other side, 3 on here, done. 8th one, which is supposed to be the easiest one, is left. And then just put everything back. Let me just show you something real quick. So as you can see, the red locking tab is still broken inside, and that piece basically has to get pushed up into this slot in order for me to be able to release this connector. So I'm gonna try to grab something that I can like wedge down in to push that up, hopefully. Got it out, guys. All I did was use a 90-degree pick and then push it out enough to where I could just grip it with these little needle nose pliers, and I kind of just ripped it out. I don't know where it went, but anyways, yeah, put the new one in, quick and simple, as you guys know how now, and back on the road.